Guys, it's Simone coming back to you guys today. I'm going to show you all how I make my green smoothies. I just came back from doing my first workout for January 2019. So this was my first week to get everything started, and it has been going good so far. So this is my mason jar that I'm going to use. I just took out the freezer. I let it stay in there while I went and did my workout so that it could be nice and cold for my smoothies. Some of the things that I'm going to use to put in my smoothies. Some pineapples that I have here. Pineapple chunks that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to put in some mixed berries that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use some spinach. Got from Walmart. And then I have some fruits, like some apples and bananas that I freeze because I like my smoothies to be kind of thick. So these are like frozen apples, bananas, and pineapples. I forgot I had those. I probably shouldn't even open those other ones. And then the liquid that I'm going to use is just coconut water. I get it from Walmart. It's like $1.07 sometimes. And I'm going to add this spirulina. I got this from Ross for it was $5.99. I scratched it off, but it was $5.99. It does have a lot of health benefits. You guys can Google. It's spirulina. Okay. So first I'm going to pour. If I can open it. And usually I don't measure. Oh crap. It's not what I'm using. I'm going to use my little blender thing. It's not a NutriBullet. It's a little one I got from Walmart. Pour my coconut water in there. That's probably about enough. I'm going to rinse off this spinach. It just makes me feel better to rinse it. And I'm just going to put about this much. I don't measure, like I said. And I'm dropping it. About that much. I'm going to put in these frozen bananas. Sometimes I have to wet it a little bit so that it won't be so hard to blend. I'm going to go ahead and use the pineapples and apples that I have in here as well. I'm not going to use the other pack, being that I have these. And I also have some frozen pears in here. I buy pears and I freeze them and put them in there as well. A few of the blueberries or mixed berries. And 1 tablespoon of the spirulina powder. She's making a mess. Trying to make this video be forever. Okay. And that spirulina stuff that color is very rich. And just because I have so much frozen stuff, I'm going to add a little bit more of the coconut water. Put the top on. Make sure you put it on good so that all your stuff don't waste. And I'm going to blend it up and I'll be back. So that's how it all looks, if you guys can see. Okay. Okay, I'm having to add more liquid because it's just basically like stuck. It's not like, ooh, dang, that is thick. But this is my first time using the spirulina. I don't know, but golly, I don't like this green color. It is really green. I'm gonna add some more liquid. More liquid. And we're gonna give it another go. But look at that green. Ooh. Okay, here we go. Okay, y'all, this smoothie is thick as heck and extra freaking green. Okay, look at that. It is super green. So let me see how this is gonna taste. Let's taste it. Now, tastes not bad. Never had spirulina, but not bad. Well, this is the end of that. This tastes pretty good. Again, everything that I put in here, I will list below, but this is pretty good. It's my green smoothie. Never mind the mess back there I got to clean up, but green smoothie, very good. See you soon.